All right, so we're going to wrap up this unit on cells by going back to energy. So this is something that we scratched the surface of when we were in ecology, and we talked about energy flow through the ecosystem. And now we're just going to dive deeper into that by looking specifically at the processes that create this energy that is then moved through the ecosystem, through the food chains and the food webs. So you're going to need to get this sheet from Miss Gillum. So this sheet looks like this. This is the front of the sheet. The back of the sheet is blank. On the back of the sheet, don't be writing your name all over it or drawing pictures. We're going to be folding this paper in half, hamburger style. And we're going to draw a chart on one half, and on the other half, we'll save that for the chemical equation. So we need to look at those chemical equations for photosynthesis and cell respiration together. So the great controversy. So what does it mean if you're folding something hamburger or if you're folding something hot dog? Here is a little demo that kind of shows you what it means to fold it. Hamburger is you're just folding it in half. So you're folding it in half. We're making a nice crease down the middle, which makes us two different sides, or two equal sides that we'll use to put some more information. So on the next slide, you're going to see a chart in which we're going to record some important information about photosynthesis and then ultimately about cell respiration. Now, somewhere, and I'm not there, and hopefully these things are still near about somewhere, there's a little blue box, like a little blue pencil box, and it has these little rulers in it. Some of them are plastic, some of them are paper, pink paper that's been laminated. But if you need a straight edge, please feel free to find yourself a ruler. I just ask that you put that back, that you take care of your area, or you can just wing it. Or if you need a straight edge and you can't find the rulers, you don't want to get up to find a ruler, you can just use a piece of paper as a straight edge. So this is the chart that we're going to make on one half of the back of our note sheet. So you can see here the dimensions that you need to do this. We need 3 columns, one for the information that we're putting. We're going to put information about energy conversion. So we know these two processes are about taking energy from one form and converting them into another form. So we're going to put that there. The reactants and then the products. So the inputs, all of those things are on the left side of the arrow that you use. And then the products, all those things on the right side of the arrow that you've made. The organelle that it occurs in, and the stages. Now, the note sheet that you have is different from the note sheet when I originally made this video lecture. But I already have this really nice video lecture, so I thought, why not go ahead and use it? So the note sheet is different, but the information remains the same. So I'm going to switch this over to the videos so you can get your information. So this exploration is going to start with photosynthesis. There are links, there are videos that I have embedded, and hopefully everything works. If not, I'm just going to cry, that I've embedded in this presentation to take you where you need to go. And the best place to start out is with the Amoeba Sisters and a video on photosynthesis. So you can see this video is right here in the middle. I haven't fixed it to play automatically, so you'll have to click on it to make it play. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to leave you here, and I'll meet you on the flip side, which means the other side of a record. But you're too young to know anything about records, or maybe you do because they're kind of making a comeback.